Hello everyone, this is Charles with slicktrade.net. Just making another pattern, or making another video here, and I wanted to cover the GBPJPY daily chart here, okay? So we're on the D1 time frame, which means each one of these candles is 1 day in duration, okay? We've come to a point where we do have some emerging patterns happening, one being a triangle, okay? Now, there has been no break, there is no current sell from our expert advisor. However, if we just look at pure price action, okay, we're at a point where there is some consolidation occurring here, just like my last video there on the USD CHF, okay? Price has come in between these levels multiple times, okay? And whenever there's a break, we have a pretty nice target level area, okay? Or target level opportunity, okay? So, again, we're back in these levels, okay? So, the levels I'm talking about here are the high and low of the consolidation period, okay? The high being 145.981 and the low being 143.955. Now, if we see a break to the upside or a break to the downside and it holds, okay, and what I mean by that is if a candle, let's say the next candle breaks up and then comes right back down, okay, and creates a doji or something like that, okay. For example, here, see this small little candle body, long tail, but price did not actually close below that level. Okay, you want the body of the candle to actually close. Actually, this is a prime example right here, because we are in the same exact boat, okay? Right in that consolidation period, same exact thing. Price broke below that level here, but did not hold because the candle body did not close below. And then immediately after, the next day, it break to the upside and it holds. And then we see a little bit of, resistance happening against that level, and then it breaks, breaks, it went to a nice long period there. And once it did break there and hold, I mean, you had the opportunity to make a nice 333 pip gain, okay? So, if price breaks below that 143.955, the target levels are these following three. Now, they are just based on previous support levels, okay? Just like I always do. Price action is huge. I know everyone wants this magical indicator that tells them everything. That magical indicator is your brain, okay? For real. Price action, once I started trading it, it made such a huge difference in my trading that I still use a lot of, the systems that I did previously. I love the Fultron. I spent a lot of time making that. There's plenty of strategies that I absolutely love. There's plenty of price action patterns that I like to use, but overall, when it comes down to it, seeing a trade setting up ahead of time, you can see it clear, okay, without, the use of indicators and expert advisors, like I said, I still use them, I've got this one running even. I like to get my little alerts in my email, and then I'm like, oh, wow, I haven't looked at that chart in a while, and then you're like, oh, well, I can see that, there's these, target levels, and this is setting up, this is a consolidation period, this is a trend. It's very important to know all that, It's one thing when you're just first starting out and you're demoing, or maybe you're trying a new strategy or a new expert advisor. And again, anytime you're doing something new, always demo it. But when you're working with real money and this is your livelihood, you want to make sure that you understand everything that's happening and that you have a realistic plan. Okay, that's very, very important. And that's why at Slick Trade, I always push education over anything, any magical indicator or, signals, anything like that. And yes, we offer all of that, but my focus and my push to members is learn this stuff. I want you to be successful. I want you to not need me. If something were to happen to me tomorrow, I want you to be able to read and fully analyze a chart and feel comfortable, getting into a trade and, you know, um, and moving your stop loss so that you get the most out of a trade and, setting the proper realistic take profit levels. Okay, so it's highly important. Okay, it's a game changer. Okay, so if we break above the 145.981 level, then we can expect that price will hit these target levels. Okay, and maybe not all of them. Okay, but we can expect that it will go at least to take profit 1. Okay, then we'll move our stop loss up, and then hopefully it will reach the next. And if it does, then we'll move our stop loss up, and just keep moving into profit. So I'll go ahead and read these off in case if you haven't looked at the post. But if we break below the 143.955, we can expect that price may reach 143.428. Take profit 2, 142.858. Take profit 3, 142.267. Now, if price breaks above and holds, we can expect that price may reach 146.571, 147.162, or 147.774. Okay, that's kind of what I'm seeing on that one. So, pretty clear. Excuse me. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you all in the room. Talk to you later.